the simple but effective dehumidifier expert around you. By removing excess moisture from the air, reduce the humidity in your place, the Waykar 40 Pint Dehumidifier can effectively prevent moisture damage and provide greater comfort for your life. It is a dehumidifier ideal for any home basements, office, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, stockroom, living room, laundry room, cellars, crawl space, etc. What is ideal humidity for humans? The most comfortable relative humidity is between 30–60%, the recommended range is between 45–55% to manage health effects. Our Waykar 40 Pints dehumidifiers are designed with adjustable humidity range between 30 to 80% and intelligent humidity control functions, where you can manage ideal indoor humidity for maximum comfort effortlessly. Maintain your ideal air quality. Waykar 40 PT Dehumidifier, featuring a powerful compressor and 112 CFM system, is capable of removing up to 0.66 gallon 2.5 L of moisture, 40 pints, per day in spaces up to 2,000 square feet. Whether you got a humid basement, office, home, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, stockroom, living room, laundry room, cellars, crawl space, etc., this dehumidifier can handle it all. Improves air quality and promotes a healthy environment by keeping your place in the ideal 45–55% humidity. Keep it for optimum performance. To keep your dehumidifiers working effectively, an occasional cleaning is always appreciated. Wipe down the water tank about every 2 weeks and wash the air filter once a month using a soft cloth and water. When storing the device, first clean the base, water tank, and air filter, then cover the dehumidifier with a plastic bag and place upright in a well-ventilated,